Okay, so we were playing Happy World. Oh, I forgot how to jump. Superman got no. They don't, cause exactly. Ah! It paralyzed me. It pees me. Don't call me deaf. Oh, what? Okay, I'll shut up. You know,
Can you help me? Can you help me get to the...
No, I don't. You're dead. Shut up. I ain't talking to nobody. You know what I'm about to do? It's jump. What's she telling on?
Which one?
What'd she go tell for? Who'd she go tell?
She was my family. She was one.
Charge! I've had a life before you said anything. 21. Yo. Watch me. No.
Can you get on Happy World now?
No, I can't get on anything because I'm a good boy.
What?
Wait, but why would